These berry-filled chocolate cupcakes are a decadent treat that perfectly combines the rich flavor of chocolate with the sweetness of berries. Each cupcake is filled with a burst of juicy berry filling, creating a delightful surprise with every bite. Welcome to our recipe channel. Let's see step by step how to make these delicious chocolate cupcakes. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a standard 12-cup cupcake tin with paper liners. In a small bowl, add the chocolate, natural cocoa powder, and hot water. Cover and let stand for 5 minutes. Whisk the mixture gently until smooth, then set aside to cool. In another bowl, sift the flour and add the baking soda, salt, and granulated sugar. Mix until everything is combined. In the same bowl, add the dark brown sugar and incorporate it into the mix. The molasses content in dark brown sugar will make your cupcakes moister. In another bowl, whisk together the eggs and the yolk at room temperature. Then, add the vanilla, oil, and yogurt. Whisk until all ingredients are combined. Combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. And mix until all ingredients are incorporated into the mixture. Then add the cool chocolate mixture and whisk until smooth. Be careful not to overmix. Pour the batter into the cupcake tin. Fill your cupcake liners 3/4 full. Bake in the preheated oven for about 17 to 20 minutes. Bake until cupcakes are firm to the touch, or until a toothpick in the center of the cupcake comes out clean. To make the filling, add the berry mix to a saucepan. Cornstarch, white sugar, and water. Mix and cook until thickened. Transfer the filling to a small bowl and blend until there are no large chunks. Pour the filling into a piping bag to start filling the cupcakes. Insert the tip of the round nozzle into the center of the cupcake and press the filling to come out. Frost your cupcakes with my favorite raspberry frosting. You will find the recipe in the link above. Thank you for watching our video on how to make delicious chocolate cupcakes with berry filling. We hope you enjoyed the recipe as much as we enjoyed making it for you. If you decide to recreate these cupcakes, we would love to see your final results. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes.